Hey everybody, this is Chuck, and I got sad news this morning. I knew it was coming. Harold Waters, Amateur Redneck Workshop, my good friend, passed away. And he's if you followed his channel, he's been fighting a blood thing where he kept having to get transfusions. And he's been doing that for a couple of years, I think. Never complained, just kept on doing it, kept on keeping on, KO, KO, as we know Harold. My good friend, talked all the time. He called me a couple of weeks ago and said, hey, I'm dying, can you help me sell my lathes, my mill that I just got? And so I posted him. It was trying to get some action for him, and then a week ago he said, I don't have much time. And I'm just paging through his videos here. Harold was very, very smart. You might sometimes think he's just a country bumpkin, but Harold was no country bumpkin. So he had 12,000 subs. And he had put up 665 videos. Here I'm paging through his page here. He was definitely a gun enthusiast. He used to always talk about his going to the Steel Challenge and always trying to improve and up his standings within the gun club there. Very competitive. Harold was a machinist. A home hobbyist machinist. He had a Craftsman lathe that he did wonders with that. Near the end of his life there, he did buy a Precision Matthew mill and a lathe, and honestly, brand new units, and he honestly really never got to use them very much. Pretty sad. I mean, that was a goal of his. Right now, there is an auction, Tex-Mex. All of his tools, everything are on auction. Try to help the family. He casted metals. He did. The guy did everything. That's why I keep saying how smart he is. He casted metals. He built an extruding machine where he was extruding plastics, melting plastics and extruding plastics. He built his own laser table cutting, I can't even say it. Laser table machine. He built the whole thing there. He built a gantry for himself. He built a vertical belt sander, the 62-inch belt sander. He built that guy. Turned out good. And Harold, if you looked at his welds, they weren't the prettiest things, but hey, he got everything done. There's his plasma table that he built. Super smart guy. He was the host of the ARW discussions, and I think there was something like 50 episodes where there was 6 to 8 guys in each episode. He arranged it all, put it all together. They were really a lot of fun. He did a great job with that. What was I going to say? He helped me when I got into 3D printing, and called him up, and he walked me through how to use a slicer, and smart guy. We used to talk about his days in the refineries. Just enjoyed all the many chats we had together over the years. I remember meeting him the first time at the first Bar Z Bash. He and his wife were there. And then, of course, what he's really known for amongst the machinist communities was his Bubba jokes. Everybody couldn't wait to get to the end of his video to listen to his newest Bubba joke. Just a great time. He had a great sense of humor. He had a great love of the machinist community amongst YouTube, and had made lots of friends worldwide. I'm certainly going to miss my friend, and my condolences are out to his wife and complete family. Just a heck of a great guy. He did cast a radius cutter and send it to me, and I machined it for him. That was quite a challenge. I enjoyed doing that for him. And what else can I say? Did I miss anything else? He did a lot of 3D printing. There was nothing he wouldn't take on. There's his foundry right there. It didn't matter. He would take it on. He would build it. He would go after it. Did my camera move? Oh, it did. Yeah. Hey, sorry about that. I didn't see my camera swing. But let me finish up. Bullets. He did tons of reviews on targeting and scopes, and I just want to get this out and say goodbye to my best friend there, my good friend, and there he is shooting. One of his biggest parts of his life that he really enjoyed, his guns. Anyway, I sign off. I just wanted to share this with everybody. If you could, share it with other YouTube machinists that may not follow my channel, that you may know that knew Harold. It would be nice to share and remember what a great man he was. Okay, thanks a lot for watching this. I appreciate it. Take care.